Subscribe to the Inside Core channel and press this bell icon so that you can get updates of our latest videos first. Hello friends, you are watching the Inside Core channel. Today, we will talk about some interesting facts in this video. Friends, in this video, I will talk about 10 countries where the value of Indian currency is very high. That means we will get to know that in which of the countries our Indian rupee is more valuable like US dollar. Friends, number 10th on this list is Uganda. Uganda's currency name is Ugandan shilling and it is a landlocked country in East Africa. That means the country is surrounded by land on all sides, there is no sea nearby. It has countries like Kenya in the east, Sudan in the north and Congo in the west, and it is a very poor country. Friends, the cost of 1 rupee here is equal to 51.75 Ugandan shillings. So you can understand how much our currency is worth here. On number 9 is Cambodia. Cambodia is a part of Southeast Asia and it is surrounded by countries like Thailand, Malaysia. Cambodia is known for its beauty and archaic history. The world's most famous Angkor Wat temple is also in Cambodia. In Cambodia, the price of our 1 Indian rupee is equal to 56.47 Cambodian rials. That is, if you go to Cambodia with 10,000 Indian rupees, then you can roam the whole country with full of fun. Number 8 is Paraguay. It is a country in the central part of South America. It is one of the few countries in the world whose boundaries do not touch the sea. Paraguay is very close to nature. Here the dense forest, rainforest and all the species of wild creatures attract tourists. The price of 1 Indian rupee in Paraguay is equal to 85.64 Paraguayan guarani. That means, this can also be a beautiful destination for you. Uzbekistan is on the 7th number. This country, separated from Soviet Russia, is famous for cities like Tashkent, Samarkand and Bukhara. Here a currency called Uzbekistan Som operates. Here the price of 1 Indian rupee is equal to 118.08 Uzbekistani som. There is no special place to roam around in this country surrounded by land. On 6th number is Laos. It is a country in Southeast Asia. It is bordered by Myanmar and China to the northwest, Cambodia to the east, Vietnam to the south and Thailand to the west. It is also called the Land of Thousand Elephants. This country is famous for the Mekong River and the mountains. Buddha Monastery is also the center of attraction here. But the best thing is that here too the price of your country's currency is very high. Here the price of 1 Indian rupee is equal to 120.42 Lav Kip. Lav Kip is the name of the currency here. And even better thing is that the facility of visa on arrival is also available here. That is, you do not need to take a direct visa to go there. You can also take a visa at the airport. Guinea is at number 5. This is a very poor country in West Africa. Here the price of 1 rupee of India is equal to 128.37 Guinean francs. Indonesia is at number 4. Indonesia with beautiful islands like Bali, Java, Sumatra is near Australia in the Far East. Friends, every year millions of Indians visit Indonesia. You can also travel to Indonesia for less money. You will be surprised to know that the price of 1 Indian rupee in Indonesia is equal to 198.30 Indonesian rupiah. Friends, due to the strength of the rupee, your trip to Indonesia can be very cheap. On number 3 is Vietnam. Friends, the name of the currency of Vietnam is Vietnamese dong. And here in today's date, the value of 100 rupees of India is 32,666 Vietnamese dong. That is, the price of 1 Indian rupee is 326.66 Vietnamese dong. Friends, Vietnam is a very beautiful place and this country is very close to nature. Vietnam is a dense rainforest and has many rivers, due to which it is also called the country of water. Apart from this, a lot of natural caves are also present here. Friends, you will be surprised to know that flying from India for Vietnam also comes at a very cheap price. And here, the expenses of one day's stay, food and travel are equal to 800 to 900 Indian rupees only. Iran is on second place in this list. Iran, India's ally in the Middle East, is surrounded by countries such as Afghanistan, Pakistan and Iraq. There is an additional stock of oil and natural gas. Recently, due to many restrictions placed on it by the US, a huge decline has been recorded in the economy here, due to which the currency of this place has reached its minimum level. Friends, today the value of 1 rupee of India is equal to 592.73 Iranian rial. Being part of the world's oldest Mesopotamia civilization and the most powerful forest empire, there is a lot of historicity scattered here. Friends, there are many historical places here. People come from all over the world to see them. Sierra Leone is on number 1 in this list. It is a West African country, and it is one of those highly impoverished countries of the world whose economy has been completely uprooted. Poverty, unemployment and crime are very high due to the almost exhausted economy. Therefore the value of 1 rupee of India here is equal to 669.81 Sierra Leonean leons. So, friends, please tell us if you liked this video. Kindly share and comment below. Also subscribe our channel The Inside Core and press bell icon to get updates on the latest videos first.